Hi everyone, this is Archana. Now I'll show you today different types of pencils which we use for pencil shading or a normal drawing, right? So we have lots of companies of pencils in market. These are Staedtler company, and these are Daler-Rowney, and in India we get easily Camel and Faber-Castell. So these are having six pencils in each, and different numbers. They will give different numbers, 2B, 3B, HB, like that. In this also different numbers are there, and all in this are different numbers. So as the number increases, the tone darker, you'll get a darker tone out of it. So see, as you can see, the thick lead, like, okay, for the thin numbers, less numbers, less. So now I'll just show you a basic of how to hold the pencil. Normally, as we know, we hold it in a writing position. Normally as we write, is called writing position. So this is called writing position. Normally as we write, right? So this is called writing position. And for the shading also we have a different grip. So when we keep a pencil, it is under palm grip. Under palm grip means you are to just grab your pencil, hold your pencil in this way, under palm grip, as we hold it like that, under palm grip. So for that we call it shading position, which is under palm grip. Okay, right? And then so two ways of holding the pencils. How to use the tip of the pencil, mid of the pencil, and full of the pencil, like the lead. So like if it is the lead and this is a pencil, right? This is a pencil. So this is called the tip, mid, and full. This is the full. Okay, so tip means more pressure and hold hand high, and it will come darkest, right? And the mid is less pressure hand little low, and medium will get. Now for the full, how will we get? That will be no pressure, hand low, total low, and lightest, right? So now what I am showing is, now with each pencil, the number which I am taking right now is H. Normally the number starts in the boxes, HB, 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B, 8B, or 10B, like that. 6 pencils you'll get. So we'll start from HB, which is writing position. HB, writing position, dark to light. Okay, so HB, writing position, dark to light, will be more pressure. See, dark, medium, and light. Very light. Now other one is HB, writing position, light to dark. So it will start from very light to more pressure, and very dark. So we'll get it light to dark, gradual. So in the, when we are starting, the hand is high, and when it comes down, the hand comes low, like that. So now we will be doing the third, which is HB, shading position, dark to light. Now I'll hold it in a shading position, which will be dark, medium, light, and the HB, last is HB shading position, light to dark, which will be, I'll again hold it in a shading position, very light. I'm holding it full. I'm taking the full of the lid, then coming down, 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 darkest, very dark, light, medium, dark. So this is called gradual shading. See, this is called gradual shading practice. So whenever we are coloring anything, shading anything, if supposing this is an apple, so if we color and the light source is here, we are making it dark. So start with the shading position first. More area you cover and you can do it better. See the lid, like HB only I'm using. Just start from the light. This way you can start, do it round, round, round to mix the shade so that nobody can understand what was your direction when you were coloring or shading. Right? This way, this way, this way. So how you will be using it? One side dark, slowly you are coming with a gradual shading, gradual mixing, 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 medium, then the lightest. You will reach here, you will do the lightest and a little very light, right? So now in this there is a few equipments or the things which we have introduced in near future, lots of things which we use. Now this is the shading position I'm using right now. In apple we can see some, you know, lines on that, and some grains, some stains are there, right? So for that we can use it in a shading position and give it light. Now the round thing, we will be using it round direction. Never do it straight or horizontal or vertical. If it is round, long thing, long direction, and see the wrist will be round, round, round. See, round it will be going. So for this now we have the stumps. We use the stumps. These are called stumps. These are mixing tools. So for that also we use it in shading position, and we can just make it round, round. See the smoothness comes wherever it is needed. So light is here, so we will be making the shadow this tight. So it will go disperse here. Now a little dark is needed. So for that I'll use a little 6B. Light is here, so we'll make a little darker this side and make it here. I'll use B, 6B. So this will dark, this is dark here, this way, making it like that. And more effect if you want, you can give. Whatever we are making, any object element, there will be a shadow. Otherwise it will look like it is in the air. If we make this, the base comes out automatically. It looks like, okay, yeah, it is kept somewhere, it's not flying somewhere, right? So that way. Now one more thing is there. This is called an eraser pencil. Eraser pencil. So if we want, we can just give a small erase the lighter area, or where you need to, you know, just make it, just apply little bit. Now where the light is coming, we'll make the outline also little lighter. Don't want the line. Just since I was showing, I was making that this is an apple and this way it will be. See, so this is just a basic of pencil shading of the introduction of the pencils which we will be using it, which we use, and the things like the stumps and eraser pencil. So this is what the basic of this. So this technique you will have to do it with all the pencils. If you have 6 pencils, set of 6 pencils, you do with 6 pencils. If you have a set of all the pencils with on a number, you might as well do it with all the numbers, so that we can see, we can introduce ourselves with the color, with the shade tone, and you will understand, okay, this number gets this much of darkness, this number gets this much of light, we can get it. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.